Welcome to part 3 of the sample application. Here we will be building, deploying and invoking the application we created in the previous videos. Let's move on to the deployment. We can deploy the MySQL YAML using kubectl apply. Then we can build our Ballerina project with the Kubernetes artifacts using this command. The Docker image is being created. Okay. Now we will have to push the created image to the Docker hub. Okay. Now finally we can deploy the Kubernetes artifacts related to our Ballerina application to the Kubernetes. Okay, everything works. Can use the HPA command to see the autoscalers to verify whether it's working. Config maps, they seem to be there. And the secrets that we have mounted. Okay. Now we can port forward the service into our own host machine, same as we did before. We will be using the new Postman vscode plugin to invoke our service, as it's much easier, but you can always use curl, that always works. Any request? Let's use the get endpoint that we have defined to see if there's any entries. As expected, there are nothing. Then we need to insert some data into our backend. For that we will be using the post request. It accepts a JSON with this item type. Notice that we don't set an ID here because it's optional. Okay. Seems like it works. Let's use the get endpoint again to make sure it works. And it does. That is it for this tutorial. Let's see how we can extend Core to Cloud in the next tutorial. Make sure to clean all the resources in Kubernetes before the next tutorial so we have fresh environment. All good. We will be looking at how we can extend the generated artifacts in the next tutorial. See you then.